What's going on, guys? We are here talking today about the Pro Eagle Phoenix Air Jack. If you own one of these, congratulations. You have one of the coolest jacks that I've seen on the market for UTVs. And I think that's because it is so compact, but it works so effectively. If you bought this jack, it comes with the jack itself. It actually comes with 4 CO2 cylinders, the control valve with hose assembly, a pin, and then there is also a replacement foot that goes in the kit so that as that rubber wears down, you can throw another one on. So what we're going to do today is show you, if you own this jack, how you can basically use the Savage UTV case to store this in so that it's mounted up on your roll cage. So we'll get into that in a minute. The only thing you have to do is remove this base plate, add a little bit of hardware that's included with your Savage case, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, so you've got the jack with the original base that came with it, and what we included in our Savage UTV case are 3 stainless steel machine screws and some Loctite, and all we're going to do is remove this and add these screws. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the 3 machine screws that are in the bottom of the jack base. It's going to use a 4mm Allen, and you just go ahead and take these off. Once you have those flat screws out of the way, go ahead and take the base plate off. You won't need that anymore, and this cup as well can come off. That should leave you 3 threaded areas. You will go ahead and take the Loctite, apply the Loctite to the farthest out ends of the threaded portion of these new machine screws, and you go ahead and just screw those in snug. Now, there is not actually anything that you're bolting to this, and they should bottom out, leaving a little bit of the threaded portion still sticking out. Once you have those in place, that's all you need to do to your jack for it to be ready to go into the Savage UTV case. So here we have your Savage UTV case. It is constructed out of black ABS. It is injection molded in the US. It is 100% airtight, waterproof, mounts directly to your roll cage, and comes with all of the mounting brackets and hardware to be able to do that. The base plate that we have manufactured here so that you're able to put your Phoenix Air Jack inside is easily removed by just unscrewing the thumb screw and removing the base plate. That way the jack with the 3 bolts that you just put in can simply lock into place like so. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the case here and show you exactly how it comes. When you order it, it does not come with the jack, but it has all of the foam and everything for you to be able to carry everything that comes from Pro Eagle. So you'll put your control valve in, you'll place your CO2 cylinders, or 25-gram CO2 cylinders, in. You will then place the jack in, and the replacement rubber foot that comes with it goes right in here. It'll fit right underneath this area right here. And then we provide a little foam piece here to keep that from bouncing around. So that's how it fits inside there. And then you can see this closes and locks into place. There is a hole here if you want to run a zip tie or a small, steel wire or something, a cable through here. You can. This has an O-ring on it that is designed to dampen any vibrations. We have literally tied this case with this on it to a rope and drug it behind our razor, and it does not fall off. But if you want to add a secondary type of object to secure this, you can, And this is also right here is designed to have a lock, like a master lock, if you want to secure that so that no one walks away with your jack. But that's all you have to do is just modify the bottom of the jack by removing the base plate and the base cup, change out with the hardware that we provide here. Everything else fits. The case that you order comes with the mounting hardware and the new base plate, and you are ready to strap this on your ride, and off you go with a really cool jack that is now out of the elements, not able to be stolen, and has everything mounted in one place. So these are available at savageutv.com, and they should be coming out in about a week or so.